What's going on, North Texas barbecue addicts? It's me, Kenneth, and in today's episode, we're cooking something that I've never cooked before. This is special. When you get your chance to do it, if you get your chance to do it, this is a once-in-a-lifetime situation. We've got Japanese A5 Wagyu steak, guys, from Six Brothers Beef Company. This steak is beautifully marbled. I can't wait to get it out of the package and show you how we cook this bad boy up. We're going to also whip up a homemade ponzu sauce to dip it in. This is going to be beautiful. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do. Let's get to this steak. Alright guys, so we've got this certified Japanese A5 Wagyu from Six Brothers Beef. Searing certified, the greatest hide of beef. Look at that marbling. Let's go ahead and get it out of the package. What I do want to do is go ahead and cut off a little bit of this butter, or fat I should say. We're going to use that in our skillet just to get it greased for our cook. There we go. Look at that. Cut off a little bit of the fat there. We're going to grease our skillet with, and we're left with a beautiful steak. What I want to do now is show you all what it's looking like. Look at that marbling. That's beautiful. We're going to go ahead and salt this. A little bit of sea salt, coarse ground, just a little. This stuff has so much rich flavor in it. I'm going to put a little salt on it before we cook it. Let it set up on it. Just like that. Flip it around. Look at that, guys. That looks amazing. Salt that up also. Now it's important, we're only adding salt right now because pepper, the way that we're going to sear this is going to be so quick, we don't want to make any charring on it, we just want to cook it. Set that to the side. Let's go ahead and get our skillet here. Turn it on to a high temperature there. Let that go. Once that heats up, we'll be right back with you. So we're going to go ahead and use some of this fat to oil our skillet before we add our Japanese A5 Wagyu steak onto it. Nothing better than steak on steak. Alright. So we seared it up. All we did was salt it before we seared it. After we seared it, we added our black pepper to it. Look at that nice crust on it. Let's see exactly how we did. Let's cut right down the middle. Exactly what I was looking for. Check that out. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we did whip us up a ponzu sauce, homemade ponzu sauce. I'll have the information down below in the description box. If y'all want to see a video on this by itself, I will do it. Just leave me a comment. But I got my buddy Justin here, so he gets first taste test. Let's go. Let's cut very thin slices. That's how you cut A5 Wagyu, guys. This is like butter. Look at this. Like butter. I can't even keep it on the knife. Look at that. Beautiful. Give it a try. And see what you think.
Good.
Yeah. I'm excited. Oh, wow. Is that real? Again, if y'all want any kind of steak, Wagyu, prime, American Wagyu, Japanese Wagyu, check out Six Brothers Beef Company. They've got it going on, guys. Look at that. Just like butter. Guys, that steak was amazing. One of the most tender steaks I've ever had in my life. So buttery, so flavorful. And all we did, like I said, was put some sea salt on it and a little bit of coarse ground black pepper after we cooked it. Sea salt it before you cook it and put the pepper on afterwards. That homemade ponzu sauce was just perfect with that steak. Really, really elegant. Awesome experience. I highly suggest you try it out if you get the opportunity to. Obviously, with the Cowboys game going on, everything, we were over at our friend's house. You saw I shared the steak with my friend Justin. From that point on, it was just gone, guys. So sorry I didn't do a taste test officially, but that steak was amazing. Y'all check it out. Check out Six Brothers Beef Company. I'll have their information down below in the description box. This is a limited supply of A5 Wagyu straight from Japan, guys. Get your hands on it if you can. Appreciate y'all for stopping by. Until next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing.